Thank you so much, guys. It has been 5 years since Choice Tackler Music Center was born. Our commitment is to provide guidance and hope to aspiring kids to enhance their God-given talent. It is our ultimate goal to push every kid to show their full potential through singing, dancing, and playing instruments like piano, guitar, and drums. We, at Choice Tackler Music Center, will never stop for as long as there is a child who is dreaming to express him or herself through music. Lastly, we are so thankful to God for helping us to share what we know and put into good use whatever resources we have for the greater glory of God. Thank you, dear parents, for entrusting your kids with us. Maraming salamat, mga parents. Isa-isahin ko, baka makalimutan ako eh. Joanne. Thank you. Salamat sa pag-kukoryo. Thank you so much. Romel, thank you. Ate Arlene, thank you so much. Kuya Ben, thank you so much. Maraming salamat sa tulong. Marife, where are you?
Maliit kasi! Maliit!
Ano ba pangalan kasama?
I'm here! Ano pangalan?
Amir! Ronald!
Ronald? Tama ba? Thank you. Salamat. Maraming salamat. Ate Michelle, thank you so much. Maraming salamat. Kuya Dennis, where are you? Thank you so much. Maraming salamat. Thank you. Maraming salamat. Ate Melanie, maraming salamat. At si Kuya Randy, asan ba si Kuya Randy? Thank you so much. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. And of course, to our dear kababayans for patronizing our event, looking for more recitals in the near future. Nakita ko na yun. Our heartfelt gratitude to our dear sponsors and media partner for their unwavering support. Thank you so much. This event will not prosper without the cooperation, efforts, and hard work of these kids to perfect their crafts. May I call on Randy? Certificate of participation. This certificate is proudly presented to Randy Rante Baldovino Jr. in recognition for his participation in the Level Up The Voice recital concert as a special guest performer given this 7th of April in the year 2024 in Discoteca Elefante Blanco. Choi Tan Hudko, signed by Choi Tan Hudko, founder and voice coach. Palakpan naman si Randy. And of course, it is my honor to give them a small token of appreciation by presenting this certificate of participation to Yvonne, to Paula, to Bella, and to Brent. Thank you so much, Hill Laflor Del Barastin, the flower specialist. Thank you so much. At dyan po nagtatapos ang ating programa.
Congratulations!
Maraming salamat po sa pagpunta.
kung ito lang ako awiting. Nais kong malaman mo, ika'y bahagi ng buhay ko. At kung anong sasabihin, nais kong sabihin, nilagyan mo ng kulay ang mundo. Nang sana kita dahil sa'yo ako mag-asa. Ang awiting ito'y para sa'yo, at kung maubos ang tinig, di magsisisi, dahil iyong marinig mula sa labi ko. Salamat, salamat, Sana iyong marinig, ibang gamit. Ang awiting ko'y tuminig sa hangin. Aking kamador, humiling ang pagkakataon. Masabi ko sa'yo, kung gaano ang awiting ito'y para sa'yo, at kung maubos ang tinig, di magsisisi, dahil iyong narinig mula sa labi ko. Salamat, salamat, ito na ang pagkakataon. Walang masasayang na panahon. Mananatilit ka sa puso ko kailanman. Para sa'yo ako'y ang awiting ito'y para sa'yo, at kung maubos ang tinig, di magsisisi, dahil iyong marinig mula sa labi ko. Salamat, salamat, ang awiting ito'y para sa'yo, at kung maubos ang tinig, magsisisi, dahil iyong marinig mula sa labi ko. Salamat,
Sinorpresa niyo ako. Surprise! Thank you so much. Sino nagturo sa inyo nito?
Kami!
Thank you mo. Thank you sa inyong lahat. Maraming salamat po. Have a good night, everyone. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Love you guys. Love you. Bye-bye.
you po.